Hello, click on your Windows key and R key together. Then to bring out this, type MRT. So automatically to take you to malicious softwares on your PC. So you can run a quick scan or full scan. But then let's try quick scan to see infected files on this PC. So if by any means there is a malicious software, we'll get to know that. So let's see it. So as you can see, it is scanning. So we're doing this purposely to discover infected files on our PC. Sometimes we install softwares unconsciously, probably through the websites we visit or tools we use. So this would help you keep safe, but it doesn't replace your antivirus. So you can view detailed report of your results. Okay, as you can see, I hope this is helpful enough.